What is going on, you sweaty mother? This right here pretty much concludes the build. It's done. Alright, so can you guess what it is? Do you know what it is? Well, let me tell you what it is. So today we're gonna take it to AGN Motorsports. These guys are probably the best tuning shop in Killeen. These guys, they're pretty damn good. Okay, so you guys get it, he's a real deal. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna take it to my boy Eric. He's gonna look over everything. Hopefully I might ask him, I don't know. And he's gonna tune it, so then that way I can reliably make it to where I have to make it. Because my entire life, I can never get to my destination without something happening. So, hey, hopefully, since it's a rebuild, you know, everything's been looked over, everything's tuned correctly, we won't have that issue anymore. But without further ado, oh, there she is. Oh, and my boy's clean as that side, you know what I'm saying? Go check my boy out, you know what I'm saying? Urban FA5 on Instagram, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, there she goes. Let's get this show on the road. Alright, what's going on, guys? We're here at AGN Motorsports. So pretty much the first thing we figured out is I gotta siphon my gas out because I got some 87 and I need to be running 93 for this tune. So we're putting some gas into my boy's tank, you know what I'm saying? I'm blessing you. It's not doing it? Alright, so my boy here figured it out. Pretty much all you gotta do is disconnect the fuel pressure regulator or whatever it is, that hose that goes to it. And then get you a water bottle so it don't spray all over your transmission and, you know what I'm saying, ruin all your paint like I just did to mine. And you want to disconnect the starter, and once you disconnect the starter, all you want to do, see how he's holding the thing to the on position, and then it should just empty out. Give it like 10-15 minutes. All right, so here we go. Went and got some 93. Got beat by my boys, B20 Integra. Never again though. Not no more. We gonna fix this. We gonna fix this problem. Come on, baby. Surprise me. Yeah, I'll take 150, 160, and I'll still be sad. If it's less than 160, I'm never racing. So hopefully. Oh, we got some music. About to get a copyright strike. Peace. All right, here we go. We starting off the magic. Hey, yo. I didn't get what you said, bro. How much you think I'm gonna make? 127 horsepower. 127. All right, what you think? What you think?
175.
170. That's what the dude said already. You cheat. Oh, no. How much you think? 198. 198? I like that. Stay positive.
127.
I'm gonna say like 250. No. I'm gonna go maybe like 165, you know, because...
You want me to give a realistic answer, bro? 186.
Yeah. 186? You really think so?
I'll give you 186.
That's really specific, bro.
186.4.
Alright, bet. Say less. 186.4. I'm going with like 168.73. Remember though, this is a slow car. This is not a fast car, man. You look at this. I'm just looking for some flames so I can be a racer. It sounds terrible. Hey, you look sus. What did you do? Oh, that's me up there?
I turned it on.
Oh, you did? Well, now we got some live footage. Some live action. It's good? Yeah, chill. That was quick, huh? If it blows up, it means he was trying his best. My air fuel ratio is crazy. Not yet.
You know, it's a cool one when you hear the relay.
Oh, that's when it's real? What is that, 135? At least my thing is getting better, yeah, because before it was all over the place.
Because you have pretty much stock stuff in there?
Yeah.
Maybe like 13.5.
13.5. Oh, so you're not supposed to be all the way up at 16, huh?
No, right now, well, here it's idle, so it's not that bad, you know what I mean? But while it's running, that's why he's like cruising, making sure that the air ratio, what he do is like cruise like he's on the highway.
Yeah.
And then from there,
he's like he's doing a highway pool.
Yeah,
okay.
The airfield's going fine, you know what I mean? And then from there, he goes to start doing the full pool.
Alright. Hey, at least it don't smoke too much. It only smoked when he let off.
He almost got it right.
What's it at now?
153 to 135.
153? That's not bad. I think that's it. That's all I'm gonna make. Before he did the tune, I was running at 130 to the wheels.
Something like that, yeah.
That's crazy. So I already got 20 more. What's good now? See me right now. So what's lighter, this or the Integra? The same? See me after this. See me after this.
You got the Dyno tune though, that ain't fair.
What you mean that ain't fair? That's perfectly fair.
We was both stop.
Hey, not no more. Not no more. See me.
Gotta see where from.
I would be so happy, but I don't think so. Ah, 162. Woo! 161. 161. We lost 1 horsepower, but we got 1 flame, so kind of sad, kind of happy.
That shit was cool.
I know,
You
right?
see the ball come out, the whole ball of flame.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see that. I just saw the end of
I
it.
saw it traveling and it was like,
Oh, that's
it was
crazy.
like flame and all of a sudden it just came forward and came out.
That's crazy. That's nuts.
That shit was cool.
Is where it's at right there.
It's 163?
He's gonna stop right there.
All right, if you can get me to 165, I'm good.
I got it.
Wonder what my shit was.
Yeah, I know, but I'm not where I want to be at. I wanted to be up in the 170s. It won't go past 163. It is what it is. I just rebuilt it. You think that might be the clutch?
Oil in the head or something.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, it was leaking. It was leaking through the cams when we went and fixed the leak. I mean, I hope it's not nothing bad. We'll find out later.
Let it cool down. We'll do one more pull. We're good.
All right. All right, last pull of the day. He did a little something, he said, so he's gonna try to get me to 165. See how it goes. That loves me. 165. Pretty happy with the numbers. 165, 1 horsepower less than what I expected, so I am not tripping at all. He said he's gonna do a nice little 2-step on it. He doesn't want to take a 2-step? Oh man. She don't want a 2-step. It's all good. Yo, what's good? So, hey, the car is done. For real this time. I know it was like building the engine last time. It was almost done. No. Like the build for now, for a couple months, it's done. I'll do a little bit of things, you know, here and there, but as far as engine wise and tuning and stuff like that, we done. All right, it's just not a fast car. It's just a reliable, clean car that can still bust some ass. I want to run it back with my boy, but anyways, you know, it's done now. So 165 horsepower to the wheels. So it ain't much, but I'm happy with it. But anyways, remember, smack that like button, because I said so. Peace.